We are here at our latest addition to the portfolio, okay? This is a 6-unit multi-tenant commercial property. We picked these up at $75,000 per unit, okay? There's 6 units. The goal, there's 2 exit strategies, right, that we have on this property. One is raise up the rents to market value, which would take this deal to about a 16% cash on cash. Not bad. Not bad when you consider it to a CD giving 5%. But we're gonna actually go another route. We're gonna resell all 6 units individually. Okay, we picked them up at 75. They're worth about $150. Okay, so there's literally a double up right there. But we're not just gonna sell them traditionally. We're gonna seller finance them, requiring 50% down per each unit that we sell. So we'll get our entire initial investment back, and we'll carry the note on 50% of it, $75,000 per unit, which is gonna bring in about $800 a month for 10-year on a 10-year note. Okay, total combined, we're looking at about $5,000 for all 6 units, cash flow for 10 years with all of our initial investment back. Okay, that's what you call an infinite return. If you want to partner up with us, I'd like to interview with you to see maybe you'd be a good potential partner to invest with us on future deals. So tap in, send me a DM. Look forward to connecting.